Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Here is the recipe of making lemon soda for serving one person. Let's see what are the ingredients used for making this. 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves, 1 lemon thinly sliced, 10 ml or 2 spoons of lemon juice, 1 cup crushed ice, soda water, it should be chilled, rock salt. Now we will see the method of preparing the soda water. Take lemon juice in a glass which you will be using as a serving glass. Add white sugar to it. Put 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves in this mixture of lemon juice and sugar. With the help of spoon or ladle, crush the mint leaves in the glass and mix well with the lemon juice and sugar mixture. Add pinch of rock salt to this mixture. Now add crushed ice in this glass, and finally in the last fill the glass with the chilled soda water. Give a quick stir and serve immediately. Add the thinly sliced lemon at the top of the glass and a leaf of mint to decorate the glass and serve it.